it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Doja Cat's Kiss Me More music video, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. Once I blended all my primer into my eyes and my face, I used a lino lip treatment in Lemonade to hydrate my lips and to act as lip gloss. For my crease and transition shade, I used the Thaw Yeah and Chill Through from the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. On the outer and inner corner of my eye, I used the shade Jada from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette and to create that halo eye look. It looks a little bit dark, but I put Chill Thrill on top to make it more pastel and light. And as I was layering Chill Thrill over Jada, I blended all along and went back with Chill Thrill, put them at the center of my eyelids so that way a shimmery shade like Thaw Yeah has like a base to it. Make sure you blend everything out from the center of the eye to the outer corner and also the crease. This is just a trust the process moment. And I went back with Thaw Yeah, put them at the center of my eyelids. I put at least 3 layers of it. And then once I put myself with a setting spray to it, I went back with Thaw Yeah with my finger so it has more pigment. To achieve that Minty Eyeliner, I used the shade Space Panda Tracksuit and Fanny Pack from the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner. I just made a basic winged eyeliner that is fit for my eye shape and then use a Cat for a makeup product like the J Cat glitter pigment and an eyeliner. For the regular eyeliner, I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease for false lashes. For foundation, I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Tinted Foundation in the shade Light 6W. Covering my imperfections with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Natural. Contouring my entire face and nose with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Espresso. For blush, I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali, using a brush for application and fingers for blending and patting. For that glowy look, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown and a setting spray by Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. For lashes, I'll be using the Mina Luxe Beauty False Lashes in the style Athena. Using the same lash glue for my false lashes, I also use it on my AB clear rhinestone that I got off of Amazon, under my eyes and temple. For lipstick and lip liner, I used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Lumineer. Lip gloss touch-up is optional, but mine is already glossy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!